10 surprisingly dangerous foods that you should be careful with. Raw cashews. Cashews are delicious nuts, but the raw ones contain a chemical called urushiol, which can cause severe allergic reactions and skin rashes. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a popular ingredient in many dishes, but some varieties are extremely poisonous. For example, the death cap mushroom can cause liver failure and death within days of ingestion. The problem is that some poisonous mushrooms look very similar to edible ones, so it is best to avoid picking wild mushrooms unless you are an expert. Potatoes. Potatoes are a staple food in many cuisines, but they can also be hazardous. Potatoes contain a toxin called solanine, which is mostly found in the green parts of the skin and sprouts. Solanine can cause nausea, diarrhea, headaches, and even death in large amounts. Hot dogs. Hot dogs are a favorite snack for many people, especially children, but they can also be a choking hazard. Hot dogs are cylindrical and slippery, which makes them easy to get stuck in the throat. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a spice that is used to flavor desserts and drinks, but it can also be a hallucinogen. Cherry pits. Cherries are sweet and juicy fruits, but their pits can be dangerous. Cherry pits contain a substance called amygdalin, which can release cyanide when crushed or chewed. Swallowing a few pits is unlikely to harm you, but eating too many can be fatal. Rhubarb leaves. Rhubarb stalks are used to make pies and jams, but the leaves are poisonous. Ackee. Ackee is a fruit native to Jamaica and a staple of the local cuisine. However, it can be fatal if eaten unripe or improperly prepared.